What's up, everybody?
Hey.
Clarence and Ebony here. We are sitting in front of a multifamily unit that we purchased at the top of last year. Throughout last year, we have been focused on purchasing multifamily units exclusively. And you want to tell them how that process has been going?
Oh, excellent. So yeah, we've been focusing on what we call value-added properties. That's where it's probably been the prior owner didn't maintain them well. They didn't keep up with rents. They didn't keep the units current as far as look. So we've been going in and focusing on properties that we can improve the community, add value to the community, give the tenants a better place to stay and a better place to live. And so we've been grateful that we've been just really to be able to get some good owners that have been passing them over to us, and we've been renovating them, and that's what we've been doing.
Yeah, so we are at about 40 something doors at this point.
Working on the large one, not gonna drop it yet. I know I'm gonna stop doing that, but I'm for real. Working on another one. So
we'll just take you guys along. We'll show you this one that we're came out with contractors today to get some bids on some renovations. And we'll take you guys along with us.
Definitely. You don't want to miss. I promise you, you'll learn a lot through the journey. It's very fun. And I guarantee that you will pick up a nugget that you can apply to your life and improve yourself at all times, you and your family.
All righty. Peace.
So just making sure all the keys.
Hold on, Tim.
What's it's so windy out here. Home inspector. Home inspector. All right. One of the things you got to do when it's cold out here, check on your properties. We've had some really cold weather, so we're just coming by, making sure everything is okay. It's cold in here, so we're just making sure everything is good, looking good. Praise God. Praise God. Praise God. Praise God. All right, so this is a unit we're getting ready to get up for rent. Should be.
We gotta renovate it first.
Gotta get it renovated. Okay. Golly, everything here looks good. That's how cold it is. It's an ice. The water in the toilet froze. So I'm gonna see if we can fire up some heat. And we should have been done this, but we're here now. So hold it on.
It's cold. What's it on? 60. Oh, that's one.
This other all.
There you go. There you go. Keep on. At least do it on 70.
Get warm it on up.
Yeah.
37 degrees. All right. So thank God, praise you God. There's nothing in the house. We're gonna check under the house because also your pipes. You can have stuff under there, so we're gonna check on that as well. But this is a really cool unit. This is a really cool project that we're about to start working on. It's again in an up and coming area that's being developed. So be on the lookout for it, and we're gonna go check under the house. All right. We're going to meet with our contractor. We're going to update our budget. We already had a budget for this property, but we're going to just go back in and make sure all the things that we're doing to it, we're on the same page. One of the things we'll do when we meet with our contractor and we're putting together a game plan, one of the things we always want to do is make sure that we covered all bases and everybody's on the same page. Typically, we'll have a sheet in each unit explaining what's supposed to be done, and we'll make sure that that contractor is checking off each and every week based on our progress that we're getting done so that we can stay on task with the schedule. So we'll show you that as we start renovating. But today is just to do an initial walkthrough with them. And like I said, have a punch out list to see what they're gonna do to it, and we're gonna go from there, all right? Cause I don't know if somebody's in there. I don't know if I need to check with the property manager because we had some people move out once we got them. I thought your brother walked in there. I told you. Man, put that, is that somebody's house? Is somebody living there?
Huh?
I said, don't smell like anybody.
Ooh, I hope not. It smells like cats.
It smells good.
like money.
Alright, ready? So you can see, let's go to the first one. I'm gonna show you kind of what.
It's only one bedroom, right?
One bedroom, one bath. All the way through, quick and easy.
Who's on top?
These are affordable. We're gonna have these affordable there. Please tell him to stop with that noise, with that dumb rooster. He loves them roosters. He's a rooster.
Yeah, ¿qué pares por eso?
So every kitchen gotta be redone.
outside.
You think so?
I think so, because I don't find it.
Yeah, new cat, we can't keep cat. So new kitchen, we're gonna do the new kitchen. Is it a lot expensive to do a backsplash, a small subway backsplash, or just leave it alone? Okay, so we'll do that. And change it out, put that in. So we'll use the, for the refrigerator here. See, that's why I wanted to go and get the short board, hot water tank, because what I want to put in there, I would love to do like a stackable wash and dryer in there. I gotta get, or the only other place, let me show you another place for the wash and dryer stackable. But I just don't know until you look under the house for the plumbing. You could swap, if we do new hot water tanks, we could put our hot water tank in here somewhere, get a low boy, like a hot water tank, put it in here, and then put our stackable washer and dryer here, right here.
Yeah.
And do a wash and dry right here. Cause they don't have wash and dry. And see, what I like about this, you can tap the water line from the kitchen right here.
If I buy the tiny ones?
Yes.
You know the stuff? No.
See it? Look, on the wall. On the wall.
Let me tell you.
That's good.
This is good. This one.
So it shouldn't be, that's what I'm telling you, this shouldn't be hard. We should be able to get in and out of these, spraying. The hard part will be just like putting the cabinets and all that stuff about the money. So it literally comes in the mail, just like that. Mailbox money. We're at the rental management office. Cash money. At the rental management office.
That has not been renovated because
That hasn't.
we just ran over the box.
That's an alert. Alright, so we gotta start laying out these units. That's for that person receiving the mailbox, apartment F. Alright. Don't tell Ebony, y'all. Don't tell Ebony, I got put that in my back pocket.